In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password in MetaMask. Before we begin, a quick but crucial reminder: resetting your password requires your secret recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase. Without it, you can't recover access to your wallet. Keep it private, type it only inside the official MetaMask interface, and never share it with anyone. Start by opening the official MetaMask interface in your browser. You can head to MetaMask's portfolio site or simply open the extension from your browser toolbar. If you're on the portfolio site, look for the MetaMask option at the top to launch the extension window. This brings up the sign-in screen. On the sign-in screen, select the Forgot Password option. This takes you to the recovery flow where MetaMask will guide you through restoring your wallet using your secret recovery phrase. You'll be asked to choose the option that matches the number of words in your phrase, such as 12, 13, 15, or the length you have. Pick the one that corresponds exactly to your phrase. Next, carefully input your secret recovery phrase. Type each word in the correct order, with a single space between words, and make sure spelling and spacing are exact. Many issues come from small typos, extra spaces, or using the wrong keyboard language, so take your time and double check as you go. Remember, this phrase is the master key to your wallet. Keep your screen private and avoid copying it into any other app or website. Once the phrase is in, create a new password for this device. Choose a strong, unique password you don't use anywhere else. Aim for a mix of length and complexity to keep your wallet secure, and consider using a reputable password manager to store it safely. Confirm the new password by typing it again exactly the same way. Matching both fields ensures you won't be locked out due to a typo. When everything looks right, click Restore. MetaMask will verify your phrase, re-import your accounts, and set your new password. If the restoration succeeds, you'll see your wallet interface with your accounts and balances. If it doesn't, review the phrase, order, and spelling, ensure there are no extra spaces, and try again. A final note: this process sets a new password only for the device you're using. If you use MetaMask on another browser or device, you'll need to restore there as well with the same secret recovery phrase. Keep that phrase offline, secure, and accessible only to you. That's it, you've reset your MetaMask password safely and correctly.